Hey guys, happy Tuesday, or whatever is left of Tuesday. If you're watching the replay, which most of you might be watching the replay, go ahead and hashtag replay and you'll know you're watching the replay. If you don't see the red box at the top, it's Jess. Don't you love my top? I take that back, it's not a top. It's, is it a Julia? Is that what it's called? Is it Julia? If you can hear me, give me a heart. I want to make sure you can hear me. Last time I was live, you could not hear me. Can you hear me? Hey! Yes, a Julia. I love it. It's my first time actually wearing it. It fits longer than I thought it was gonna fit. But the size is great and it feels great. And I'm freezing, so I'm actually wearing the leggings you got me too with it. Can you see it? So I'm covered in head to toe in lipstick. Hi guys, how was your day? Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Okay, so I wanted to pop on. We actually have two options. Two options if you want to, lipstick girl. Two options if you want to run this as a legitimate business that has unlimited earning potential, growth, personal and fun. That's my big word, fun, and also make lots of money. Well, up to you, how much money you want to make, right? Or if you just want to snag the best freaking makeup deal ever, then keep watching. I'm just going to share with you option number one, which this is the first time they've ever done it before, like ever. So they've changed up the kit. And like I said, anybody can do it. You don't have to work the business. A lot of customers of mine have realized that they spent a lot of money and they want to get the discount themselves, and still purchase from themselves. And I show you how to do that, and that's perfectly fine as well too. There's no auto ships. A lot of times you have to read the small print and you end up getting a monthly subscription and you get stuff sent to you and charged on your card. That's not the deal on this at all whatsoever. There's nothing up my sleeves at all. You can actually, I'm going to pin my site right now. So you can click on the site and you can read up on it and shoot me a message if you have any questions. But right now I'm just going to show you option one, and it's all about eyes. They've never given you an option of a kit to get, either for the makeup itself or just, as your starter whenever you start your business. So it's $99, the same price, $5.50 is shipping, and whatever your tax is, I can help you figure that out, but it's valued, I wrote it down, over $347, which is amazing. It's insane. The collections on my site aren't, valued that high. Okay, so I'll show you. Get the purple bag. Okay, you get your purple bag. But this time it's all eyes, and I thought it would be fun to show you some swatches. You get samples of the masks too, and you get the most recent catalog. And I like this bag to keep other things in it. It's a really great bag. You can gift it if you don't want the bag. You just want the makeup. Hi Hannah. Hi Lindsay. When you come on, say hi. All right. So I'm gonna show you. It's crazy because it's never been like this before. It's a brand new, I'm slightly excited. What's in the bag? What's in this option? We're just going over option one in detail. So I'm going to pull out everything. I just so happen to own everything already. I didn't score it in this kind of deal. Most of it, mine was free, but okay. So if you've watched my videos before, and you can see, I actually have one I done of the Epic and the 3D, so that's in it. Had all our bathroom stuff. Use the bag for a trip to New York. Yeah, it's an awesome bag. I like how it's has all the little compartments and it doesn't collapse on you. Yes. So for this bag, this collection, this option one is all about eyes. So you have the One Step mascara. If you need me to tag you on a video, I'll go ahead and I'll tag you. It's a little bit down, but what do I call it? I call it nerd notes. What's in the product that makes it so amazing? So this is the One Step Epic mascara. This alone is $24. And then you get your 3D, and that's buildable mascara, the fibers and the gel. Again, I tell you how to use it and what's in it and what makes it amazing. You also get the Esteem, and this is normally $29. I'm gonna lose track of totaling up. But this is Esteem, which is the serum, and I don't have anything on this lash, so I can show you how to do it, but it's again, in the Nerd Notes, I did go over what's in it and what makes it so special, but you can see it's doesn't have a smell to it. It's clear, has a little spoolie, and you literally go mid to tip, and you would do this on clean lashes, of course, and you just coat your lashes. You can also use it on your brows, and you're going to see growth with some people as soon as 2 weeks, but about a month. And it's something that you continually use to help fortify. Okay, it's going to make them stronger, longer. I love it. Again, Nerd Notes. If you want to see the Nerd Notes video, just comment below Nerd Notes, and I'll tag you. So you get that. You get the eye primer, which is amazing. It's like Velcro for your eyeballs. I also use this on my brows because my brows are all pigment, and it just makes everything stay so much better. A little bit goes a very long way. Okay, and then I can do a swatch. The lip color, guess what it is? It's actually, I just did outline of Prim, which is a dark brown eyeliner, and then I did Stellar. You guys, I'm obsessed with Stellar. Okay, so for actual makeup, you get, again, this is all eyes, you get Faithful, which is a matte cream shadow. Guys, I'm obsessed with our Splurge cream shadows, especially this color, because the versatility. You can use it for brows, liners, you can do it for your shadow, and heck, you can freaking do it for a lip. Yeah, it's, okay, so I'm gonna do a swatch. You also get your cream shadow brush in there so you can see it. But it's like a pomade. It's a cream to powder, it dries to a powder, and once it's on. It's not going to crease. It's not heavy or creasy. You know, sometimes with cream shadows, they start to like ball up a little bit, or they crease in there, or they start to fade or whatever. But it's like a dark chocolate brown. So you get that in it. These are normally like $26. But this is, I'm glad they did this color because it's very versatile. Like I said, brows, liners, your lips, eyeshadow. All right, and then, okay, you also get a quad palette. And the 4 colors, okay, I'll go ahead and I'll tag you after I'm done, Lindsay, on the Nerd Notes so you can learn about it. But it's a quad palette, and what's cool about these, you can pop out the little containers, but these are the colors that you come with it, which is, let me grab first one is Optimistic, which is a must-have color. It's a champagne. Is that metallic? I can't see. Hold on. Let's tap the screen. Tap the screen. It's not. There we go. Can you see it? Like metallic. If you want swatches of these, just comment below swatch, and I'll send you a picture of what these look like. Then you get Slick, which is like a pink glitter. I actually have that on my lid right now. If you can see, that's Optimistic is right here. This is Slick, and put that right there if you can see it, right next to it. Can't see it. And then Antsy, which is also a metallic, and it's gorgeous. Wow, my lighting just stinks really bad right now. And then this one is, what is this one called? I wrote it down. Agile. This is a satin base, so it's very similar to matte, but it has a little bit of sheen to it, not specks of glitter or anything, and it's very soft. These are high pigmented. They actually have a little, I think they have a little primer in there. A little bit goes a very, very, very long way, and it's gonna look even that much more amazing when you pair it with the primer that comes in it. Okay, so tools. They put almost, I think every eye brush that you could get on the site, they put it all in this kit, which is amazing. Tools are gonna help you create what you want, you know? All right, so I showed you get your cream shadow brush, the crease brush. The crease brush is going to be, I used here, like, so I use this to go in and just like blend out those edges for the cream shadow. Instead of having like a harsh solid line, you know, you just blend out those edges and bring that down. So that's a crease brush. Then this one, the dual end, what is this one? Angled shadow brush. This one has a angle here, so it's going to be great for like here if you want to apply that there. And then the sponge, if you want to apply right on your lid. So you get that brush. Then you get this one, the liner. Is it called a liner shader brush? Yeah, liner shader brush. And then you can use this for liner. Again, you can use Faithful for the liner. You get that brush. You get the deluxe brush, which is just pretty dense brush. And then you get this new brush. Love this brush. Just blending brush. Blends everything together. You also get this brush. This alone is $20. So you get all the brushes. Oh, I forgot. You also get your black liner, which is the perfect liner. And it's also waterproof. Okay. Oh, and the sharpener, which is perfect for this. I actually sent a friend of mine. She snagged the kudos. She's like, just invoice me on the kudos. If you're in my VIP group, you know about the kudos. That is every monthly special. This is actually a new product, and it's all lips. I'm a lip girl. I love lips. And she's like, yeah, just send it. So I'm like, I'll send you a liner too. So I sent her this too. I love this because it has a little pick in it. You know how sometimes in your sharpener, you get that buildup and you can't reach it. It's something so small, but so convenient. And I'm very thankful for it. So it has a little pick in it to clean your sharpener. It also does a round tip. It actually makes it smoother so you're not tugging. The liners are very creamy, so they don't tug in general, but you know, sometimes if you have your sharpened pencil too sharp, and you also waste product too. So all of that is in option 1. If you are interested, let me know. You can comment below option 1 or private message me because maybe you're funny and you don't want anybody to know that you're interested in this. I get it. Maybe, I don't know, whatever your reason is, you can private message me. And any of my friends here can vouch for me. I'm nice, and you know, I think I'm nice, right? I'm totally nice, okay? I'm not gonna bug you. If you're not interested, that's fine. But if you have questions, please ask, because it's silly not to ask when you have questions. I don't know, maybe tomorrow, I'm not sure how tomorrow is gonna go, but tomorrow I will show you what the option 2 is. And I mentioned at the beginning of this video, it is all skincare. So if you need skincare, which everybody needs skincare. Thanks, Lindsay. I'm the nicest. You know, Lindsay, we've never met. But but this is the same thing. You almost drove to me to do my hair, because Lindsay does amazing hair, and I went to Platinum by myself, and I damaged the heck out of my hair. But I didn't go bald. All right, toll squirrel. What was I saying? Okay, so skincare. Everybody loves skincare, and so the option 2 is valued over, what did I say, over $330 worth of full-size skincare. So if you're looking for something that is anti-aging, that is preventative, all that kind of good stuff, that is going to be your option 2. But just message me if you have any questions. I'm super excited. They announced all of this yesterday. And on top of it, you also get $22 of product credit. So even if you don't want to work this as a business, which you should, because why not? Why not try it? You know, why not see what it's all about? Give it a shot. Worst case scenario, you get yourself an awesome makeup deal. But you get $22 to use on your own website, and I show you how to do it. And then you can purchase from yourself, and you can get a discount too. So it starts off at a 20% discount, and but the business itself is amazing. They announced the incentive trip, and anybody just starting out can earn it. I don't want to make this into like exactly what we get and all the little bonuses that we have, but it's pretty amazing. If you want that information, just let me know. I put that out there. I am earning the trip for me and my husband. I earned it last year thanks to my amazing makeup addicts here. We went to Dominican Republic last year. What month was that? August? I forgot what month. It was amazing. It was amazing. It was all inclusive, Hard Rock Hotel. It was an incredible experience. And my husband really, I think that was the first time, I've been doing this for over 2 years, that was the first time that he was like, these people really take care of you, you know, and it was really cool, you know, because it was presenters and their spouses or their besties or their family or whatever, and just being spoiled and having a really good time. So that, I've put that out there. I'm taking my husband on this trip in Cancun, and you can too if you want to work the business and do it too. So I hope you guys have a great night. Thanks for watching. Hit the share button if you want, and be sure to be in my beauty vault. If you're not in there, comment below beauty vault. And I think I'm going to recreate this eye. I found a photo and I'm like, I love it. And it's using similar colors to what's in the kit, but it's a little bit more pinky. And tomorrow actually is Wednesday. Every Wednesday I go Facebook live with my bestie, which I actually made in this business. She's out of Texas and I'm in Florida, and we do like a dual live. And I found some really cool makeup, very 90s, like weird pop art kind of thing. And sometimes we do fun stuff like that. So I think I'm going to challenge her to that. So stay tuned for that tomorrow. I hope you guys have a great night. Thanks for watching. Bye.